We're here at the OR Tambo Airport to see these athletes leave to the International World Championships in Mumbai, India. They are tired, they are dehydrated, they are exhausted, but they are excited. This team is meeting up with their colleagues in Dubai to fly on to Mumbai, and this team is made of 9 athletes. With me is Bill Slater, the Vice President of BBSA, IFBB. Bill, this is really, I believe, a highlight for this whole year. This team leaving here from the airport with our national colours, official national colours. How do you feel about that?
Well, you know, we're making history here today. You know, I've been trying for 20 years to get Protea colours and to get the guys out there. And now, after all this time, we're here, you know, and we're going. And how are we going? We're going with our Protea colours. I honestly must thank SASCOC, really. They have accepted us. Well, I think we've earned it. Well, if we didn't, they wouldn't have allowed us in, you know, to be part of them. I was very lucky to go to the World Games 2 or 3 years ago. And I understand South Africa is trying to get the World Games here. And that will be another step for us. I mean, these guys will kill themselves to get to the World Games, to compete for their country at something like that.
Say thank you to Mr. Slater who gave me the chance to do this. So I'm going to do all the best there at India. So I'll come back with the trophy. I'll make South Africa proud.
Another athlete with us, part of the team, an athlete also his first time going to the IFBB Worlds, is Cobus van der Merwe. Cobus, can't get the smile off your face because you told me last night you couldn't even sleep. You were so excited about the event. Are you nervous, excited? Do you know what to expect? How's this World Championships going to be for you?
Wayne, this is an amazing achievement for me, coming back after 5 years not competing. Always been training with the mindset to be a top amateur bodybuilder in South Africa. This achievement is great for me, training for more than 20 years. And yeah, hopefully the next step after being at the top of the amateur ranks in the world, we can move forward to go for pro card. It's a great achievement to be officially getting our Protea colours from SASCOC. And yeah, and good luck to everybody that's has this gold in the mindset.
I know these athletes are tired and dehydrated and hungry, but you know what, I just get so excited because you know what, they look so great in their official colours and we've worked so hard to get them there. You know what, SASCOC, we thank you to be able to send our teams wearing the official green and golds, and they will make us proud.